Hello guys, and today we're fixing my overactivated slime that my bestie got for me, Billy Plays Roblox. So basically, it's not bad, it's just not stretchy. It's like normal slime, but just overactivated, and see? It's alright. It's actually just really hard, and I've been looking up ways to fix them. But all the ones that I've seen, they've all just for like butter slime textures, not really glossy, thick slime, no. So nothing's really worked for me. That's why we're improvising and microwaving our slime for 1 minute. I've been so scared that he's gonna explode or something, but guys, check it out.